So you have created perfect grading around your house. Now the water goes along the walls, goes through the grading and goes down the street. Everything perfect, but look at this. Look at these little nasty weeds. I was fighting with them here for quite a long time, and I guarantee there are a couple of inches of asphalt pretty packed here. And I removed them with the Roundup, and I removed them all, and they're still here. I mean, to be very fair, there were all the weeds around. Everything was all the weeds. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them growing through, which is pretty disgusting, and we're gonna do something about it today. So today we're gonna remove those little bad boys, and we're gonna seal the joints between the foundation and this asphalt, and we're gonna seal these joints as well. For that we'll be use the driveway resurfacer, and we'll be using the Flex adhesive, which is perfect for joints. You see, it's for concrete, for the asphalt, for the corners, and I have black and I have gray. First, we're gonna apply this driveway resurfacer, and this stuff is brown. When it dries out, it becomes black, and then I'm applying it on top of the existing asphalt. So this will block the access of the air and the sun to all the weeds we have here. And this is how it looks now. And I need more of this stuff here on these edges, so I'm only blocking the areas where the weeds have already started growing. In the other areas I'll be using polyurethane, and I will move usage of this side on this edge. So now I'm applying the Flex here in the joint between the foundation and the asphalt. You want to remove approximately a 1/4 inch. Make this straight cut and apply it in a 45-degree angle. What we are achieving here, we want to prevent any weeds growing between the foundation and this asphalt. This joint definitely should be sealed, because the water flow is going to go towards the driveway and outside of the foundation. And now we want to seal the joint between the old and the new asphalt. Now, I've done this before multiple times, and I guarantee you this will definitely help preventing asphalt to crack and to detach from this old pavement. Also, this stuff is not very expensive, so you can buy a can or two, and it's gonna save you big after the harsh winter. And this is final look. As you can see here, it's already started being darker and pretty much becoming black. So here we also protected this slab from all the sides. And this is how you can prevent cracking of the newly added asphalt on the edges or in the joints between the asphalt and the foundation. You can also prevent weeds growing along the foundation, and you can also help the water to diverge from the edge or from the foundation of the house towards the center of your driveway. Thanks for watching, and as usual, let me know if you have any questions or comments down below. Cheers!